CMCSS partnered with the Kennedy Center in their Partners in Education program starting last year. It's kind of a trifecta. We've got CECA, who is the Center of Excellence for Creative Arts at Austin Peay, Clarksville-Montgomery County School System, and then the Kennedy Center.
Today, we've been working in a 3-hour professional learning workshop with a Kennedy Center guest artist, Randy Barron, working on connecting movement to language and also to science. And yesterday, Randy was in 3 schools doing demonstration lessons with 3 different classes. So the teachers were able to observe those and then come to his workshop today to get a great sense of what arts integration is and how it can impact their teaching and their students' learning.
Engaging students at that creative level is really the highest level of the Bloom's taxonomy. So it is what we want students doing, and they'll remember it. So they're not only engaging in the movement, but they're bringing that English language arts, and you can do this with science and social studies and math and any content. And once they do that, and then they create this choreography and they have this experience, they're experiencing it fully.
The partnership between CMCSS and CECA is meaningful because we really want to connect with our community, and there's no better place to do that than through the schools and through supporting teachers. Education outreach and arts outreach is something that is part of the CECA mission, and so this partnership really means a lot to us to be able to provide those resources. We're hoping to sustain this program over many years, and so this is just sort of the beginning of a longer journey where we're offering teachers professional learning workshops and bringing teaching artists into the schools and to work with them as well. And so I'm hoping that as we get more teachers involved and there's more buzz around this program and the excitement behind it, that we'll see it grow and continue for the future.